Hey, good morning, everyone. My name's Lamar. I'm the owner of Appliance Professionals of Louisville and Home Technology Handyman of Louisville. Hey, this message this morning is really for my veterans. I'm a proud 23-year military veteran, served in the Army and the Air Force. And I just want to give a plug for the services industry overall. But specifically, what I'm familiar with now is the appliance repair business and the home technology business. For someone looking to transition from the military, I would highly recommend, or who has already transitioned for that matter, I would highly recommend looking at appliance repair. And so the reason I like appliance repair so much is because it's easy. It's easy in the sense that the processes and the procedures you use draw heavily off of our military experience and give us a competitive advantage. When I say that, I mean, getting up early, grinding day in and day out, finding better ways to do processes, having selfless service, looking out for the customer's best interest. Those things are crucial, and having passion. Look, we all know as you serve, there's going to be jobs, places, people you work for that, let's say, don't see eye to eye, or it may not be the best environment, but you put your head down, you do what's right for the organization, and you move forward, So that's where I would say, if you're looking for that career and you're trying to make a decision on, hey, what am I going to do next as I move to the next level of my life, give appliance repair a serious consideration. So there's a few schools out there, a few resources. If you look up Appliance Boot Camp, you'll be able to see some of the past discussions and interviews and just get some insight into the opportunity that you have for this business. But I'm telling you, it'll make a difference for you and your family. All right. Thank you.